Good evening, everybody. It's Angela and David, Wyllie's Travel Adventures. How is everybody tonight?
Well, hopefully all right.
Yeah? We're off to Mallorca in the morning.
Yeah.
Yep.
Bit of sunshine,
Yeah.
bit of heat, and a wee bit of alcohol maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
Okay.
So we're going to sort of like take you along for the journey. We're starting tonight, going to the station at Carlisle, and then we're going to get the train to Manchester Airport. But we have looked to see, and there's some disruption on the line as a train broke down, so hopefully it'll all be sorted by the time we get there.
Right, exactly.
Because knowing our luck, we'll get the train cancelled and we'll have to get the later one.
Did the last time.
We did, yeah. So I've been at work today.
And I've been working in the house cleaning.
Yeah, he's been house husband today. So I started I got up at 4:30 this morning, went into work for 6, finished at 4, waiting for our lifts to take us to the train station. So we're staying in the Ibis, which is near Terminal 2. So when we get to the other end, we'll do a room tour.
Exactly.
Yeah. And then the following day, we shall do the sort of mandatory airport thingies, getting our bags dropped off. Obviously, you can't film security. But then we're in a lounge, we'll video that.
Oh, yes.
Listen here, man.
Oh, yes.
And they're not cheap, I'm telling you. They get dearer and dearer every year, these lounges, don't they?
I'll just have to drink a wee bit more.
Yeah. Well, David will get his money's worth.
Oh, yeah.
I might not, but David will.
Especially.
But they do like food as well, don't they?
Oh, yes. Right.
Yeah, we'll breakfasts, yeah. So the breakfasts are normally the best, aren't they?
Aye, they're quite nice, aye. And you can have a wee drink or two.
Because the last lounge we went to, neither of us like the lunchtime specials, did we? No. Breakfasts are the best.
Breakfasts are the best.
Yeah, so then we'll do the normal flight. We're going in a big old Dreamliner to Mallorca. Big old plane.
Big old plane.
And it's nearly full as well, so yeah. And then we get there about 20 past 11, I think, in Mallorca, 20 past 10 over here. Oh, that's all he thinks about, you know. Huh? He's not thinking about the trips we're going to do, the cultural experiences we're going to do.
Well, I did.
You did?
Yeah, I did.
For a little bit.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we're just hanging about the house now. Everything's packed away. So we'll catch you at Carlisle Station.
Yeah, exactly. And
so please like and subscribe. It all helps.
Please. Yeah, please.
Yeah, please. Get on. Yeah, we would like to do this full time, to be honest.
I do it full time anyway.
What? What do you do full time?
Do this.
No, he doesn't.
I talk at least once. That's enough.
He's only talking because he's had a couple of vodkas. That's all he's talking for, isn't it? Anyways, no, honestly, we'd love to do this full time. I know we're not brilliant. We're not like these vloggers that's done it for years. We are trying our best, aren't we?
Okay.
We say it as it is, you know, don't we?
Yeah, we try our best.
Yeah.
Yeah, for over 6 days.
We just want to take you along for the journey. I like roller coasters.
I don't.
Yeah. I like to go to as many theme parks, but it's impossible with my work schedule, but we try our best.
Yeah, so.
Yeah. But we try and get away for as many 2-night breaks as possible, don't we? Yeah? Especially our favourite place, Blackpool. It always goes down a treat when we go to Blackpool. But yeah, my dream is to go right around America to all these theme parks before I get too old.
That's too late then.
You know, I'm 61 now and I don't know how long I can go on, because I was a bit nervous when I went on them in Poland, but I want to be able to do it before I get too old. So please like and subscribe, it all helps.
Yeah.
And we'll see you
at the station.
So see you later, everybody.
Bye.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Good evening everybody, here we are at Carlisle Station as promised. We've got about 5 minutes to wait for our train. It's coming on platform 4. There's David getting excited for his holidays. So it won't be long before the train comes, hopefully. Fingers crossed it's not going to be cancelled or anything. So there you have it, exciting times. So we'll see you when we're on the train. That's us on the train, guys.
Yep.
Everything's dark, so there's no point filming on the train really, because there's nothing to look at outside.
Dark outside, so
Yeah.
unless you want to look at some things, you know, you're quite welcome.
Yeah. So, I don't know why our faces are so big on here, but never mind, they are. Anyways, we shall let you go now, and we'll see you in Manchester Airport.
Yay!
Okay, see you later.
Closer.
Right, we just arrived at Manchester Airport, and we're just going to get the lift up. Lift or escalator? Lift? Yeah, just going to go to the lift. So we're heading to Terminal 2 and the Ibis Hotel. In the lift we go. There we go. So this is Manchester Airport at night. We're heading to Terminal 2. There's no rush because we're just going over to the hotel. So this is the hotel we're staying in. You can see it out the window. Just straight ahead, the Ibis Budget Hotel. And there's David.
Come on.
Oh, they've got the walkways on as well, which is good. And just leave my case there and film the empty airport. There we go, so we're coming up to the Radisson Blu Hotel. We've stayed in here before, but getting up in the middle of the night, it's not worth staying here because it's quite pricey. But if your flight's not too bad, like it's not like dinner time-ish or that, it's well worth staying there. So this is us, guests for the Holiday Inn and Ibis Budget Hotels. Please follow signs for Terminal 2. So only 5 to 10 minutes walk. So it's not too bad. So we'll see you when we get to the hotel, or near the hotel. So they're busy doing Terminal 2 up, and there's lots of things going on. Lots of construction. These are construction walls here. It's going to be very posh when it's finished. Look at all that construction down there. Welcome to Terminal 2, everybody. Here he comes, as if he's got all the time in the world. So this building here is the Holiday Inn. And over the way is the Ibis. Just about 2 or 3 minutes from the terminal. It's not far. What a palaver trying to get into this place. We were in the lift for ages. And David was hungry, so we had to use the vending machines, and that was an experience and a half. So this one will take about a second, this room tour.
Welcome, and come in as well. Who knows what you're going to find?
This is it.
Here.
So this is it, the Ibis Budget Hotel at Terminal 2 at Manchester Airport. And this is it, tiny, tiny room. So you've got your plugs and your USBs there, and you've got a place for your phone. I can't see a view because it's night time. Got a little desk here with coffee and tea and a kettle. I'm not even going to look in the kettle, to be honest. We're getting tired, we're up early in the morning. And then you got a television on the wall, and there's your wardrobe. Oh, don't laugh, don't laugh. What a job getting the food out of the vending machines. It probably paid for everybody else's food. Expensive. And this is the bathroom. The bathrooms are actually quite nice. You got your toilet and your sink, towels. Hiya, everybody.
I think the bathroom's bigger than the bed.
Yeah, the bathroom's bigger than the bedroom, David said. And a walk-in shower. And basically, that's your lot.
Yeah.
And we've spent a
get what you
fortune
pay
in the
for.
bed. Eh? Get what you pay for, yeah. Cheap and cheerful. So we're gonna eat. We're gonna eat this food. I wouldn't have bothered, but David was famished. Here's it, my bacon sandwich. I've just done it in the microwave, and it's like I tasted to open it, it might explode.
That was good.
So yep. So we'll get away now because we'll have to go to bed early and get up early. So we'll see you all in the morning for the travel day vlog. Woohoo! And tell you what, we're not staying here anymore. It's too wee. So busy as well with the school holidays, the Scottish school holidays. But there you go, that's it. Anything to say, David?
Oh, happy
No,
days. Happy
he was
days.
just getting he was getting his hunger grump on a hunger grump, weren't you?
Exactly.
Yeah, hunger grump. If we'd known where the McDonald's or anything was, we could have ordered in, but we don't know.
Just eat.
Just eat or something, but never mind. We're going to have a bag of crisps and a sarnie and then bed. So we'll see you all in the morning. Bye for now.